Well, hey everybody, Judd Wilhite here at Central Church, and we had such an awesome experience doing the Wonder Life curriculum. It was so powerful for our church. First of all, it's always powerful when we move from rows to circles. It's always powerful when we can help people step in their lives and begin to build relationships and grow in their faith. But the Wonder Life curriculum did something that was just, I think, kind of remarkable in our church family. One of the things it did is it really challenged our people to deal with some past hurt and past issues. And, I think the core thing that goes on in so many of our lives is if we don't deal with the past, then we're destined to repeat the past again and again in our lives. And I think some people really found spiritual freedom, personal freedom, because they started dealing with some areas in their lives in the past that they'd never really dealt with. And Wonder Life, in a fun way, kind of opened the door for that. Another thing that happened is it just really empowered people to live fully present in their lives and to find more wonder and joy each day. What I love about the curriculum is that it wasn't too heavy. Anybody could kind of enter in, and yet it really took people on a spiritual journey as deep as they wanted to go. So we had a lot of fun with it. We did a lot of fun things